In September of 2021, we encountered a situation in Kosovo, a small country in Southeast Europe. They had to destroy 133,000 AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines that had expired. Why did this happen? A mix of vaccine hesitancy, technical difficulties, and misinformation about vaccine expiration. At that time, Kosovo had one of the lowest vaccination rates in Europe, at a mere 15.7%. The number of COVID-19 cases in Kosovo was on the rise, largely due to gatherings and lifted restrictions. However, in the face of this crisis, Kosovo was set to receive 750,000 vaccines donated by the United States, Germany, and Italy. Fast forward to June of 2022. In a pivotal move, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Director approved COVID-19 vaccinations for children under 5. This came after a unanimous vote by vaccine advisors to the CDC. Moderna and Pfizer-BioNTech vaccines were recommended for children as young as 6 months. This was a significant step in the fight against the pandemic. Yet the challenge remained: how to ensure effective communication to parents and an equitable distribution to reduce disparities and address barriers to vaccination. By July of 2023, we saw a shift in the narrative. In Florida, the majority of COVID deaths occurred after vaccines were readily available to all adults. This was attributed to a shift in approach towards vaccines by the state's governor, possibly influenced by increasing skepticism about vaccines within the Republican Party. The state, which had initially been ahead in vaccinating older adults, saw a fall in vaccination rates by July 2021. This led to a higher death rate during the Delta wave compared to other states, particularly among younger adults who were either unvaccinated or had not completed their vaccination regimen. In conclusion, the journey of vaccines in the fight against the pandemic has been a tumultuous one. It started with the challenge of vaccine hesitancy and misinformation, moved on to the approval of vaccines for children, and then witnessed a tragic rise in deaths due to a shift in vaccine attitudes. The lessons are clear. Vaccines are crucial in the fight against COVID-19, and consistent, clear messaging is key to ensuring their uptake. As the world continues to grapple with the pandemic, the hope is that these lessons will not be forgotten.